In the video City Scalper X2 EA, I have received a comment. Blue horizontal line is not working, is not moving. I think if the horizontal line is moving, this EA could be profitable because its signal depend on horizontal line. Okay, let me explain it through visual testing of this expert advisor. Now open the MetaTrader 4 terminal, click visual mode. I am testing City Scalper X2 EA. Currency symbol is GBP USD and time duration is 1 month. Period is M15, spread is 10. Now open expert properties. I am using default values. Click OK. Now press the start button. Now this is the blue line or signal line. This line is moving according to signal. Here you can see that few seconds before blue line is here and now move upward at this price level. Now let me explain this expert advisor through its source code. This is the source code of City Scalper X2 EA. Line number 37. Here you can see that import kernel32.dll. This is dynamic link library and this is Windows operating system file. The EA read this file. This EA cannot start backtesting unless you enable allow DLL from tools options. By importing this DLL file, expert advisor is able to read and write history files. Now moving down, in line number 157, here you can see that this expert advisor read history daily candle HST. HST is the extension of history file. What does it mean reading history? It means that the expert advisor already know that the coming candle is a buy candle or sell candle. Therefore drawdown is very low. Now I am scroll down to show the making of blue line. Here line number 386 and 388. Here you can see that this is the code of make line or signal line. This is not the reason that this line is a signal line and the expert advisor profitability depend on this line. This expert advisor using history files, therefore drawdown is very low and this expert advisor is only work in backtesting. It has good backtest result, but in live environment your drawdown is very high. I hope you understand the issue of this expert advisor. This is a fake EA and scam EA, therefore do not use it on your live account. Here you can see that drawdown is 2.98% while profit is 49.90. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.